Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept and welcome to another Ask the Professor. And in today's Ask the Professor, we're going to be taking a look and reviewing some of the faster moving products from the Expert 60 range. So this week we're going to be taking a look at the Expert 60 Snowfoam Max. Expert 60 Snowfoam Max, pH neutral, chemically enhanced product which delivers a dense foam blanket which is kind to trims but also kind to your paintwork if it's actually been pre-treated with a wax. It's trim safe, and what do we mean by trim safe? When we look at manufacturers like Mercedes, BMW, Mini, Audi, where you're looking at potentially recycled plastic trims, they can be quite sensitive. So this particular foam is actually trim safe. So there you've got it guys, you've actually seen the products applied, you've seen the results. If you've got any comments about the products we've actually used, put them in the comment section below. If you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to see the next available video, obviously click on the link in the right hand corner, and we'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.